Tired of cleaning your floors every single day? This robot vacuum takes care of it for you automatically, so you can focus on more important things. The Shark AV753 features a powerful tri-brush system that works on both carpets and hard floors, picking up dust, debris, and even pet hair with ease. With Wi-Fi connectivity, you can control it directly from your phone, or even use voice commands with Alexa to start cleaning anytime. It also includes smart sensors to avoid stairs and obstacles, while the long battery life lets it clean large areas without interruption. Simple, smart, and hands-free. It's a perfect solution for keeping your home clean every day.